Eggplant is in season and delicious right now. So today I'm going to show you how to make a miso stir fry with eggplant and chicken. Choose eggplant with glossy, wrinkle-free skin and prickly stems, as these are signs of freshness. When you cut the eggplant open, if the seeds are still white, there's no need to soak it in water. Drain, make a well in the center, cover, and microwave. Remove the tendons and excess fat from the chicken thighs. This extra step makes the chicken more delicious. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle with garlic powder. Mix the seasonings together in advance. Red miso is commonly used, but white miso works too. Using white miso gives it a nutty flavor. Heat a frying pan over medium heat and add the oil. Cook the chicken with the skin side down to prevent it from shrinking. Once the chicken is golden brown, flip it over. Drizzle the sake over the chicken, cover with a lid, and cook over low heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Since the eggplant has already been microwaved, it cooks slow with less oil. Reduce the heat to low to prevent splattering. Stir fry while mixing well, so that the sauce coats everything evenly. Sprinkle with dried chili peppers if you like it spicy.